Starting the intro where you feel the vibe right off the bat. You know what I mean? Like, oh, this is gonna be a good one. You know what I mean? Yo, what is going on, everybody? Hope you enjoyed the first episode of prepping this 1988 Toyota pickup for paint. We are back in the garage the next day. I got my hot chocolate because I don't drink coffee and it is too cold to smash a Red Bull or a Rockstar. Today we are going to be sanding the car down with 400 grit and getting it all ready for tomorrow. We're going to be prepping the car, doing all the masking on the window. We're going to do all, the removal of the lights, the tail lights, whatever we can so we don't overspray it, the windshield wipers and all of that good stuff. But before we do that, like I said, we're going to move the car out. We're going to wet sand it in the cold with the water. And then we're going to prep the floor with the 10x20 bag, as well as bag up everything else that we don't want overspray to get onto. Then we're going to roll the truck in and start the masking and all that. We got my compressor right here from the house. This has enough air capacity, I guess you could say, to allow us to shoot the whole truck in one shot, layer after layer, and let the compressor charge in between layers. But that's pretty much all for tonight. And then tomorrow, Sunday, we're gonna come in early in the morning, wipe the car down, and get to spraying. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, just that. Bumpers. We be setting the bumper with 400, so we can do what we want to. Alright, cool. I like it. Perfect, yeah. So I did a skim coat on the whole car to get it to somewhat be a darker shade before we paint it. So that way we don't use too much paint to try to wash down the light gray to, make it an even coat throughout the whole truck. So both sides is done. It's fully dried as well. We don't smell the paint as much anymore. We're gonna roll it out right now, wet sand it with 400 grit. And then we're gonna, mask the floor down, tape it up, and pretty much start masking the truck, get it into position where we want it to, pull the compressor off, and set it up. 400 grit, wet sand. We're not putting too much pressure on it. We're just, guiding the pad and let the pad do the work with water.
Perfection is done. Just want to make sure.
Yeah, you just gotta make sure you don't take all the paint off too. You can already see the black on the floor. So we're adding a little bit of dish soap into the water to help break it down and clean the car while we're sanding it. So all we gotta do is rinse it. But nice and smooth. You don't feel that slight sandpaper from the thick, high built primer. That's where we want it. So 2 hands better than 1 because we ain't trying to stay out here too long fucking with the water in the cold.
Well, I'm slow, huh? I'm slow, huh?
I'm not slow and dead. What do you guys think? ITR 5 lug, JDM 16-inch, S2K wheels. Oh, even the Preludes. The Prelude 5 lugs, the blades, the 5-star blades.
You like Mazda?
It's Mazda. This is a Toyota. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What should be the next wheel choice for this Yoda when it's all done painted?
Yeah, that's the thing about this soap though. It's just hella soapy.
It becomes more soapy.
Yeah.
Sorry for the poor lighting, guys, but we only got one lamp and a LED light box thing right there. But we got the floor all taped up. We got the walls covering up all the important things in the garage, like the toolbox and all of the daily new stuff. We're gonna do that tomorrow, or we're gonna do half of it tonight, the mirror, and then tomorrow we're gonna do that when we're about to paint, because we want to keep the laundry available to still use. Right now we are going to be taping up everything that we are not painting, all the moldings, the weather stripping right here inside the door, the rear. We are going to be painting the inside right here, and not the bottom because Line X. We're going to be taping down there, the wheels, pretty much everything we're not painting. Gas cap has been sanded, so I'm gonna take all of that up as well, keep this guy open. But yeah, we are nearing the end of our night here. We're gonna peel all of these old wet tape off and apply all new ones, but everything looks good. All the areas are sanded, bumpers, rear bumper. Damn, I wish I had a better light, but you guys get the idea. Oh, but smooth.
Alright guys, so we are done for tonight. Got everything masked up that we are not painting except the little plug down there. But mirrors, moldings, weather stripping, door handle, keyhole, wheels, the bed, the muffler, the spare tire, even this little bracket I want to keep original color, gas cap, key cylinders, the back window, everything is all taped up. Walls are taped up except that one we'll do tomorrow. Floor, we are golden. All the water has been dried off. We have the heater been sitting over there for like an hour now. This whole freaking garage is hot as shit, but at least we now know that it will work for tomorrow to keep the temperature in here hot enough to paint. Not super hot though, but yeah, we're painting the bed lip on the inside, and I left a quarter of an inch or so right here, and then the Line-X is going to be on top of that, so that way there's not two hard lines where it'll chip off easier. Not worried about that because like I said, all that's going to be Line-X, and we're looking good. Tomorrow's very promising. Even if it's cold, we got this heater to keep this garage nice and warm. But yeah, I'm excited. Y'all excited? Oh yeah. This is gonna be the first time I'm gonna paint a whole car 2-stage in a closed environment, because as you guys notice, I've always painted outside, open atmosphere, and all the bugs, dirt, dust, and shit gets caked on the paint during flash time, which sucks. But I'm very excited to see how this is going to turn out, because it's more controlled. We're going to have a fan at the door to blow towards the garage, so that way we don't get the fumes going into the house. I want to keep that open so we can go in and out. And then we're going to have 2 fans, or 1, depending on how many we can get for tomorrow. Square fans. I'm going to Home Depot, get a filter for the square fan. We're going to open the garage up to the height of the fan, and pretty much the fan is going to hold the garage up, and use the bag to cover up the rest. We're going to have 2 fans if possible with filters. Fan's going to be blowing this way, all the overspray, and then that one's going to suck out. Filter in the front because we want to catch the particles and not let it kick up on the fan fins itself, because we're still going to be using the fan for other reasons. And hopefully that ventilation system will work. We got those 2 little small ones on the sides, one, and hopefully that will help somewhat a little bit with the overspray. But this is our setup for tomorrow. Wait for you to turn on. Oh, okay. All right, guys. So it's about 1 o'clock right now. I just went over and thoroughly looked throughout the whole car to make sure that everything we want masked is masked, and everything that we want to be dry and clean is dried and clean. Hella forgot about some self-etch primer, and I went over some of the areas that were sanded down to bare metal. I'm probably not even going to sand it down tomorrow, but ideally you can use self-etch before primer. I've painted over it just like that, no issues whatsoever. So I ran out of the can, but I got majority of the areas that are open and exposed primed. So I'm gonna close out this video here, guys. I think we've got enough done for today. So but I hope you guys stick around for the video after this one, because tomorrow is go time, as it says right here on the window.
It's going down.
Yeah, I'm gonna fill up the tank tomorrow as well. But thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, because I know you guys are probably eager to see me and my cousin lay down some paint on his truck. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.